Christ. Woo! Let go. Let go. Yay. Just as well this isn't a legit show car, eh? We've just curbed our wheels by smacking them. When's them wheels come off? These wheels come off a while ago. Did they even come off? We did suspension. I don't even think we did we? So they've definitely been on there for a very long time. Today we're cutting up the BMW in the coldest setting for the natural habitat of doing to cars and then hopefully one day going sideways in it. Very nice. This one, and then we've got it in one here somewhere. Of course we do. Oh, go on, put the heating on, that's the spirit. Behind us, look at this. Look at the size of the heater on that one. Go on then, throw her on. That's the spirit. Direct it my way. This is what you want in a garage, isn't it? That's what we want. No being cold round here, thank you very much. Oh, there's some dirt in there. Nice. There was one bolt in there. Didn't get that on camera, but that came down and showered me in stuff. Dirty stuff.
Why do we have such a culture?
Right, let me make a marker line. Do you know, I'm looking at this in my professional eyeballs, which aren't professional, and I'm saying that we could just cut that bit off there. Where'd you get Evo from? Where'd you get Evo from? If you know what that's from, let us know in the comments, because then you know you're a real fan. Where'd you get Evo from?
Yeah, this whole E46 era, the paint is awful horrendous.
Absolutely bloody horrendous. Cool, look how crusty that is. Look at this. Crusty arch.
Wait, we're not using Pablo's pen.
Are we not? I used the pen. So yes, if you haven't guessed it already, today we are cutting all of the... There's a crotch there. All of the rust. I'm not saying it's all of the rust, is it? We're cutting this off because we don't need that if we've got wide arches, do we?
Right.
So we're just going to cut it off. And look how bad this is. It's just like...
Scrap.
It's scrap, basically. Look at that. I'm going to make the best cut you've ever seen.
Start off small.
Yeah. I'm going to do a nice big radius right around there. Look at that. George went to art school. That's how he's so good at drawing.
He didn't, and he's not very good at drawing. Start off like that.
What qualification did you have from art? Was it like self-portrait?
Yeah, it's self-portraits.
Got an A plus, A star, whatever it is. Tell I didn't go. You go to school though, that's the question started. No, I don't think. I'll drop the skirt down. Because we have other skirts to go on it as well. There's a lot of mud in there as well. Oh, it's sat in a barn field. I don't know. It's sat somewhere. Why are you still attached? What are you doing? Stop it. Let go. Just let go. Got nothing left. Try being nice. Rip it off instead. Watch the parking sensors. We're not going to need parking sensors when we're sideways. What? That's actually quite a weighty button. Actually really heavy. You're going to say to yourself, Jamie, wow, you modify cars and cut arches out all the time. You must be really good at this. No, I'm not. This is the first time I've ever done it, and I'm going to do it on camera. Woo.
Don't f it up.
I'll try not to f it up.
Looks like you've opened the bean cabinet. Your pen knife. Actually, you actually stated.
My job title did not say in the invoicing, right?
You said I can tub those arches, can't I? And I said, can you? And you said yes, I can.
Right, on my job description that I put in when I started here, it did not say that I could do that. So
When did you ever put the application in?
you know, the job.
Can we just?
Job you had going here.
Can we just
for an idiot? Yeah.
Can we just confirm that you
Didn't
did
I just
just
walk in?
appear?
Yeah, I did just appear one day and started cutting cars up. Let's just put the car in the bin. Right, so I've asked to put some music on, so I'm going to have to talk over the music, or at least talk this way. This didn't catch fire, but it's off, which is the main thing. We have the outer skin and the inner skin just here, as you can see, and that's what we're going to meet together. What's that? Oh, don't touch it. Let's just move your hand a sec. What the is going on here? What is going on here? We're gonna have to cut that. There's some rust there. Biscuit is right here. So, as you'll see, side skirt is on, just screwed in for the minute. These are the M3 side skirts, or M3 style side skirts we got with the kit. So, front fender going down, looking pretty good. Got a bit of width on there. We've got Dan here, he's actually making up a piece in here. As you see, that's all been cut out now. Huge bit of rust there. Of course, we want to treat this as sort of a structural piece, I suppose, because you've got an arm going in there, so you want to make sure that's nice. It looks nice. It actually has some strength, which will be good because, you know, I'm going to be enjoying this car. And as you've just seen, all welded up in here to the point where we need to make a template. A template, basically. A template out of cardboard, put it into metal, put it in the car. So this is as far as we're going to be able to get to today. It's getting dark outside, as you can see. And George has come in here with the piece that Dan cut out and has gone completely around it. Of course, he won't actually like me showing you this part, but it hasn't been tarted up, I think.
He'll cry when he
will, won't he? Yeah. Sorry, George. Sorry, George. Oh, he's coming. Shh, shh, shh. So yeah, we've done this bit. I haven't done any of it. Done this round there. I was just saying that you'll probably tell me off for showing this part. It's fine.
It's like crap, doesn't it?
That's what I'm saying. Like, you don't like showing off bad work, but it's not bad work because you did a really good job. So don't worry about it.
Well, it's not.
Well, it is. It's good. I couldn't do that.
It's just I just didn't want it all tacked together. I wanted it actually welded.
Well, you said off camera, when you're spinning a wheel and the tyre's ripping apart and smoke's coming in, you don't want all the smoke.
You don't want the smoke pouring in the car.
Yeah.
And B, if you have that's why we've used thicker material. If you have a blowout,
you're going to know about it.
You don't want to be wearing a tyre.
On the back of your bloody head.
You don't want to be wearing a tyre as a scarf, do you?
No one needs that. So yeah, look at this round here.
It's
looking so good.
Try and get it welded up somewhere solid.
Yeah, nice.